when reports filtered out that the Senate Committee on Works was proposing a bill which would introduce an additional 5 naira fuel levy, criticism was swift from different quarters. Nigerians voiced their displeasure over any increase in fuel price. The report, which proposed the additional 5 naira fuel levy for funding road infrastructure, was presented at Thursday's legislative proceedings. The report is on a bill to establish the National Road Fund. The chairman of the Committee on Works made some clarification on the bill.
You know, last week there was a lot of issues raised in the state. Some of the journalists raised and put the matter that we are increasing 5 naira. I think it is really misunderstood. We are removing 5 naira from the current 145 naira tax rate.
But a lawmaker disagrees with Senator Gaya.
The assertion that the 5% has already been captured in the template is not entirely correct. There is always a template that determines the pump price of petroleum products. And the only consideration there is fees charged for petroleum equalization. Now, adding or taking another 5 naira from imported fuel and taking also 5 naira from the locally refined product is going to, add pressure, to the already improvised common man.
The Senate came out with its position on the matter.
Senate has no intention whatsoever increasing the pump price.
Meanwhile, the Senate Committee on Customs has invited the Minister of Finance, the CBN Governor, and the Customs Controller General to explain the reason for leakages in revenue from the Nigeria Customs Service. The chairman of the committee, at an investigative hearing, says the country has lost 32 trillion naira from leakages in the Nigeria Customs Service.
Our economy can also be rescued if some of the anomalies that have characterized revenue collection processes and the payments by importers and stakeholders are identified and blocked.
The Senate in May expanded the number of committees investigating revenue leakages in the Nigeria Customs Service after the Customs Committee alleged that trillions of naira was lost between 2006 to 2017 in leakages from the Nigeria Customs Service. Linda Kibe, Channels Television News.